Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of AMD Day Trader. I'm your host, Jamario Walker. Today is October 23rd, 2020, and we are looking at a 2-minute chart of AMD. So this is the opening bar here. We reached a high of 80.39, 80.40. We followed that up with a couple of inside bars. I waited until I saw these first two inside bars, and I noticed that the price action wasn't holding below this range. It wasn't getting any lower than this little range, 79.38. Every time it would come down this far, the buyers would step in and pull it back up. So I saw this as short-term bearish with a positive bull trend following this up. So I went on and went for a long trade. I bought 4 contracts at 9.34. So in this range here, I bought 4 of the 74 calls. Bought 4 of those here, looking for the pickup off of this little sideways range. I was expecting for it to happen a little quicker, but it's fine. We held these guys, all of this here, and we started to sell between, let's see, 57 from 9.57 to 10.05. So we started to sell in this range here, reaching this little top area. Um, I wish I could have stayed in a little longer, added to my position here, and took advantage of that, but I didn't at the time. Um, in hindsight, what I would try to do is take a look at the range here. The top of this particular up move. Let me get my pen out and show you here. So the top of this up move that we're looking at is here. That's the top of this current up move that we're looking at. This is an inside bar. Still hasn't broken out of that range yet. Let's do both the top and the bottom. This hasn't broken out of that range, and this hasn't broken out of that range. In the future, what I'll try to do is, as long as it doesn't break below this range, we'll add to that position or just hold on to it. And then we can benefit off these additional moves here. So in hindsight, what I'll start doing now is holding my positions even longer in little pullbacks like this. It's part of my plan anyway, but I dropped out of this one and just went ahead and closed the trade. Um, I'll tweak my plan and take it bar by bar, even on the up moves where I profit. What we'll do is try to hold on a couple of those contracts or add to the position in an area like this. And for my profit zone, I wanted to at least get to this range here, 80.40, before I started to take profits, which we did. We took them 57 from 9.57 to 10.05. That is from here to this range. But, going forward, what I will do is at the point of these little pullbacks, if it doesn't, fall below that range, we can stay into that trade and get a little bit more off of it or add to that position and, still profit more off of it. So as you can see, guys, trading is a lifelong journey. You're always going to learn something new, something different, to add to your repertoire. Those who are successful in trading are the ones who adapt and add different, techniques, who iron sharpens iron. So trading against some of the best guys in the market is how you get better. And anytime you trade, you are trading against the best every day. So yeah, guys, took advantage of a little short move up. We ended the day with a very small profit of 280. Not much at all, but we'll take it, and we'll refine our techniques and get ready for next week. I do advise you guys to use this little technique here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this bar. We don't need that. So in your uptrend moves, when they are pullbacks, which they will be, and uptrends and downtrends, you will get periods of pullbacks. And those pullback periods, the leading bar for that area, for that range, stay in that trade unless you break out of that range of that trade. So going forward, we won't get out of this trade unless it breaks below this bar here. Obviously if the bar was this size, I'm not sure if I would wait, to lose all of that profit. So if the bar is small on an uptrend or downtrend, if you got a small pullback that doesn't take you out of your range, this pullback here, these couple of bars here, do not take us out of the range of this bar here. So going forward, we'll try to stay in those trades or add to those positions to maximize our profits. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. As you can hear, I'm a little bit under the weather, just getting over a cold that I caught from my son. So that's why I haven't been, doing any videos. But I'll get back to it next week, share more content for you guys, and we shall grow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.